The reason there's lineups, very simply, Health Canada, we've been waiting for months for these antigen tests, the saliva test. And something, God bless them. Something, they work hard, but they need to start moving on this. This is what's affecting the whole system. Nothing is more important to the people of Ontario right now than getting Health Canada to approve the test. And as I said in my speech, I'm up here and I'm talking to the deputy, and by the way, Deputy Prime Minister is doing great. She's talking to him as well, but I'm hearing crickets. I'm hearing nothing, silence. How do you expect us to plan when one of the major tests or the saliva test or antigen test? We'll take anything. We've taken some of the tests from BC. We're putting it in the 3 hospitals I mentioned. But I'll tell you, the new CEO, let's get it going. Let's start moving, start pushing. Health Canada, nothing in this country is more important than these tests right now. Because what it's doing, it's affecting the whole system. Just imagine if we had these saliva tests, like I've been on here for a couple months, begging and pleading for Health Canada to get this done, we wouldn't be in this position right now. It's very simply, we'd have these stores up and going, we'd have additional sites, we'd be able to test more people. But we have the nasal test per se, and that's a lot tougher than the saliva test. So I don't know how many times I got to do cartwheels up here and scream out to Health Canada to just start approving these tests. You've had enough time, and it's just not happening. So it's frustrating to say the least. Some guys, we got to get our act together up there. It's very simple. I'll be out here every single day until we start getting answers from Health Canada. Not, as I say, crickets. There's silence right now. Talk about frustration. At least we're up here dealing with it every single day and giving results and showing what we're doing to improve testing. But it's like fighting with one hand tied behind your back. It's frustrating to say the least. So Health Canada, for the 50th time, give me an answer, and then we can move from. If you're telling me it's not going to be tested, approved for the next 2 months, at least we have a plan to move forward. But that was part of our plan. Never in a million years would I think it would take months to get a saliva test. It's amazing how other areas around the world can get this done, but Health Canada just can't get it done. Like, man, I know the old CEO went out the door and the new one's in. Well, my friend, you got a big job. Let's start seeing results.